you got the kitchen right over here with all your appliances. And that goes upstairs. Again, here's your living room right here. That goes to your front door. And this goes to your bedroom. That's a queen size bed right over there. So you got your queen size bed. As you walk this way, boom, you got a bathroom over here. Okay, all kinds of closet space. You do have a pocket door right here that's for privacy. And just a beautiful, beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath. There's your electrical panel, fully electrified. Okay. And then let's take you all upstairs. Again, there's your back door. And upstairs, oh, before we go upstairs, this is a cool little nook right here. Below the stairs, there's no space wasted, so we got a little storage space there. Or it could be your little hideout spot for your cat or your dog. So that's underneath the stairs. The devil's in the details, right? And again, before we go upstairs, there's your beautiful kitchen and living room, downstairs bedroom, and then upstairs there's your recessed lights. Upstairs, let me show you how beautiful this looks, guys. Before we go upstairs, let me backtrack and look at this. Look at those rails, guys. Look at those knotty pine railings. And remember, guys, we can take those railings out if you need to move your furniture up, you know, bigger furniture pieces and so on. Those railings do come out, okay? So as we go upstairs, check this out. Once again, you look to the left and look how beautifully the Amish have staged it. They put a small office up here and like a little kids play center and hangout spot to the left, and to the right, you got a bedroom. Okay, now remember, we can wall this off and make this a bedroom too. This is just how we set this one up because not everybody wants that third bedroom. Some people, or they do want the third bedroom, but they leave it open like a loft style bedroom, okay? Because they don't have that many guests. Okay, so look at how beautifully they staged this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautifully staged. You got one of your dormer windows here. Okay, got your electric already ran. Beautiful. Okay, so there's that. And then as you go this way, look at this, guys. Beautiful office. Look at a little spot for the kiddos to play while you're doing your business up here. And remember, your mini splits are also included for your heating and cooling. So this is a fully functional plug and play home when we bring it out to you. This is a fully functional turnkey plug and play Amish built cabin. Okay, super cute. You know, this is just one of the many ways you could set up this second floor. If you're interested in, you know, maybe doing an office up here, bedroom downstairs, or bedroom up here, office downstairs. Get creative, guys. Get creative. Look at them beautiful knotty pine railings. Okay, again, built by the Amish. This is the one we call Big Bertha 3.0. Give us a call at 812-595-4033. Once again, that's 812-595-4033. This is the Big Bertha 1.0. This is the Big Bertha 3.0. I just love this screened-in porch right here. Beautiful. You can relax, take it easy on the swing, enjoy your views on your land. Isn't that pretty? Keep them bugs out of your back. Pretty. These are built by the Amish, and we ship them nationwide. Give me a call if y'all are interested in getting a beautiful Amish built cabin. These are modular cabins, which means that they are built to move and set on a foundation in perpetuity. So, not meant to be moved around. They're meant to be moved one time and stay put on top of a foundation just like any other home. So again, we have a bunch of different choices to choose from, but this is just what we got on the lot right now. You go inside the Big Bertha 1.0 and you can see you got 2 lofted bedrooms up on the 2nd floor that is connected by the catwalk. See the catwalk right here? There's your back door. You got your little living room over here. And then over here, you got your little dining room nook where you can sit down, relax, have a meal with the family. Beautiful handcrafted live edge table. Everybody can sit, have their coffee and breakfast or dinner. You already got a spot here cut out for your kitchen sink, right? Which lines up perfectly where you can look out to your porch and out to your land. Put you a big farm sink right here. And now remember, this is just a shell, right? So if you wanted it for us to do a turnkey, we can also do a turnkey where we'll put in, you see this is a spot for your refrigerator. This is a spot for your stove. So if you want a turnkey, we'll put all the electric in it, the plumbing, the heating, the cooling, the tubs, the toilets, the sinks. We'll do it all up for you if you want us to do a turnkey. This room right here, put you a laundry room / pantry over there, and then here put you a bathroom. Okay, tub, toilet, and sink. Okay. Again, look at them beautiful knotty pine floors. Beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Under the stairs, this is typically where they put your electrical panel, 200 amp. And then you got the upstairs, that takes you up to the 2nd floor lofts, which we're gonna go up there here in a little bit. So again, let me close the door so you can see what this looks like with the door closed. This one is just shy of 800 square feet. Again, this is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. One of the more famous cabins on the lot, one of the more popular ones. This one is only $79,900 as is, or you can buy it fully turnkey, move-in ready for $110,000. All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got them pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love, okay? I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows, okay? Those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split, okay? And then you got 1 bedroom over here, okay? Which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here. Or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. And you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one. So let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full Shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here. So there you go.